Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for this Friday, May 24th. We are in plus zone in the overnight trade. We're up roughly around 5 to 6 cents in the wheat, corn, and beans. We're trying to build upon the strong week that we had last week. Maybe not as dramatic, but we're not over with the day as of yet. And we're up roughly around 15 cents in the corn and wheat for the week, with the beans maybe up roughly around a nickel. The beans kind of lagging in here as a result of there's still time to plant the beans as opposed to the corn. So it's weather and planting decisions that have been the lead topics here this week. The planting decisions coming into more of a gray area with the farm aid that came out yesterday. Not so much being commodity specific as opposed to where the crops are being grown and must get planted first. So it's all kind of leading into this unknown as far as what the intended acreage is going to finally be for corn and beans at the end of the planting season, and that's kind of keeping the trade a little bit nervous. But it's all basically still what's the weather going to go and do. And at least for the following this weekend and next week, it's supposed to stay in this wet pattern, so not a lot of progress is expected to be done. The extended forecast past that looks like the wet pattern is going to somewhat continue, and then maybe it's even going to start to warm on up. So obviously a lot of moving parts in here with the acreage and with the weather, keeping the markets on a rebound from last week, this week, and going forward in here. We'll have the commitment of treasury report coming out after the close. And here, prior to this run-up in the ag markets here, they had sizable net short positions. So we want to see how much they've come out of it. It seems like they've really been kind of staying pat with the beans, but coming out of the corn, but a lot of that will be dictated with the commitments report here this afternoon. So it's a 3-day weekend coming on up, don't forget that, and we'll have a lot of potential fireworks Monday night into Tuesday on the heels of what the weather's going to be like getting into the month of June, what the acreage numbers are going to be looking like as far as the trade's concern is. And then in the background, we still have the politics, and that too is going to be a big playing card for the markets going forward here as well. So if we're looking for a supportive day today, have a good holiday weekend. These are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.